Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to class!
A little foot in the background, will that make you guys just like dancing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Shae, if you've never seen me before. Today we're going to be talking about foundation and kind of the skin preparation before you do your foundation, what foundation is right for you, kind of trying to gauge what foundation you might want to buy if you're newer to makeup, or even if you've been doing makeup for a while and you just want some ideas at something that could work out a little bit better for you. Here's your information. So before we get started, if you don't know your skin type, I will have another video coming soon where you can figure out what your skin type is so that you have a general idea what products you're trying to purchase. So the first thing that you're going to need is a primer. Depending on your skin type, there's a ton of different primers you could get. There's brightening primers, blurring and smoothing. There's even primers that will fight oil, which will help reduce oil throughout the day so that you don't really look oily and your skin doesn't produce it as much. I feel like you gave me a dirty look.
I'm not looking at you.
Sweetie.
What? I mean, again, I stare at you all day, but...
Okay, that was kind of cute. So first off, you want to start with a primer. You want to apply your primer after you apply your moisturizer. I always put my moisturizer on and let it sink into my face for a little while before I apply my primer. That way you're not really mixing the two together and your skin has time to suck in the moisture.
What did I just do? No.
After you've figured out a good primer for your skin, you can move on to picking out a foundation. There is 3 main types of foundation that you can choose from. There is a liquid, a cream, and a powder foundation. Now, typically in your liquid foundations, it's more for a light to medium coverage versus a higher coverage. Nowadays, they do have liquid foundations that have higher coverage. But if you are doing liquid, I highly recommend keeping it to a medium to light coverage just because it can start to look cakey. So next we have cream foundation. Cream foundation applies a little bit thicker, so it gives you more of a full coverage effect. Obviously, you can do full coverage liquid foundation, or a cream is your second best option. It's honestly extremely similar, except a lot thicker, and then you apply it usually in a stick form, or you can get it in like a little pan and you can scoop it out and apply it to your face. So if you want a thicker foundation, I would go with either a cream foundation or a full coverage liquid foundation. And so the third option for foundations is going to be a powder foundation. It's basically just powder with some pigment in it, just to kind of give you very minimum coverage. That's usually really good for people with oily skin, so keep that in mind. There's also cream powders where it goes on moist and then it dries to a powder type finish. So as far as picking a foundation for the first portion for the liquid, for sure if you have oily skin, you are going to want a water-based foundation, and if you have dry skin, you're going to want an oil-based foundation. And then if you have combination skin or your normal skin type, you can honestly use whatever you want. A lot of the matte ones actually have a velvety finish too for combination skin, like the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation is a really good one. No, this is not sponsored. I just absolutely love this foundation. They actually have a brush too that you can buy with it. It is the NYX Professional Makeup Brush number 22. So that is a really good option if you are trying to decide what foundations you're trying to look into. And that is everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or it helped you at all, please feel free to like and comment down below. Also, comment down below any questions you may have. I love to reply to you guys. And yeah, that is it for today, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Oh god.
Come as a croissant.